Please, there is a request from my side. Do not drag Mithai in the business. Samresh is already angry at her and then he'll get all the more angry.
Dad, mom is saying absolutely right and I'm with her. I can clearly see this will trigger more problems. You know very well Samresh can't control his temper. What is the use of all these troubles? You tell me, Dad.
I agree. Dad, finally, after many hiccups, Nipa is getting married. Is it alright to invite some troubles at this moment? Tell me, Dad. I'm absolutely sure Samarish will get angry. If he decides to go to Ratul's place and lashes out on them, then the wedding will get cancelled again. Believe me, Dad, these days I get scared every now and then.
I don't understand. I'm not getting your points. It's all gibberish to me. Mithai is a sweet maker by blood. Her sweets taste is out of the world. Why don't I use that in my business? You mean to say I won't expand my business because of Somarish's temper? Amu,
Yes, Dad.
can't you see why we have incurred loss? We don't have any new sweets to offer. We don't have any signature even. Remember, we used to say this shop is famous for this sweet or that shop is famous for that sweet. There is a time when Siddhu Modak was famous for this particular sweet. And Somresh wiped out those sweets. What are we offering now? Tell me. Right, I do believe Mithai will be useful. I know Somresh is a hard worker, but he doesn't know how to prepare sweets. He cannot evaluate the dough or he cannot innovate new sweets. Did anyone notice the sweet Mithai took to Ratul's house? Did you care to notice how did she do it?
Okay, I've understood. Our daughter-in-law will roam around the shops and sell sweets. And then go to the factory and make the sweets. Will it look good?
If this was a doctor's house or a lawyer's house, just answer me, could you talk the same if she was a doctor or a lawyer? Could you ever think like that? Peculiar. The daughter-in-law of a sweet maker prepares quality sweets. Then why won't she join the business? Tell me, Sushma.
Too much for the daughter-in-law. His own daughters could never set foot into the business.
Oh my, hey Uncle Bruton, why don't you get inside? Did nobody tell you anything?
No. Actually, they were a little busy, so...
Hey, Bratin! Bratin! Please come inside. Come in. Come.
I was thinking, Sulata, Ratul has come with Nanda to see you.
Ratul has come. Why didn't you tell us before?
Listen, keep in mind what I just said. Do not decide on a whim. I need to go downstairs.
Uncle Bruton, please tell grandfather
What?
about the movie plan.
Not now.
What? Oh no, he left.
I should inform Shom that his grandpa thinks of him as a laborer and that he doesn't have any creativity.
Mithai, now you'll have to do something. Grandfather, should I tell you something? But you can't turn me down, okay? Others were also trying, but no one could gather enough courage. So I had to take the call. The thing is, Sister Nipa and Brother Ratul wish to go for a movie together. Please don't say no.
No, they won't. And I don't allow also.
Please, grandfather, please.
Why shouldn't others join them? Why only two of them? And see, you can't spend the entire day with your house chores. I want you to take up studies. You'll join the business. I'll make the announcement tomorrow.
Business? I'll join your business truly. But I'm yet to open my own shop.
What do you mean by your business? Huh? Are you not a part of this family? Isn't it your business also? What's the need of a separate shop? Huh? I'll beat you black and blue. Go and tell others about the family movie plan which I will sponsor.
Really? Hey, movie night tonight!
What happened?
Oh my. Oh no.
What?
Grandfather, going.
Crazy girl. Siddharth will surely understand one day that mithai's worth a diamond. Only a connoisseur can spot a diamond. Don't know when he'll become one.
Should I do the dusting in Mr. Bittergaard's room? Or I shouldn't? No. If I don't clean, he will complain. Why was it not cleaned? Tell me, Mithai. Mr. Grumpy's not in his room, so I can clean it now quickly and he won't be able to know. Yes. Oh Lord, please help me so that I don't break anything. Yes. Oops. Oof, I don't have control on my limbs. It's true. Oof. Let me check that side. Hey. Oh Lord. Thank you for helping me. Oh no. Oh.
Can you tell me how did you manage to get the wrong pen drive? Thankfully, I checked. The car is also at the service center, Tess. It's not possible for us to come to and fro so many times.
It was not intentional, you know. And that girl drives me nuts. Hey, you. What are you doing here? Have you gone crazy? You've sneaked in when he's outside. She. What's it? I told you, step by step, she's moving towards the target.
Miss Tosha, I have come to clean the room. Then I saw these clothes on the bed. I was checking if it's used or fresh.
Nipa and Ratul, where are they? Everyone's searching for them. They'd be called downstairs. They're going overboard.
There you are. Listen, Tantapa. We are booking
Yes.
tickets for a movie, evening show. But I won't be able to go.
Why? What assignment do you have? You'll go to the club.
See, Nanda, you have no idea. I have a lot
Hey,
of work
just
to
keep
do.
quiet. Why won't you go with us? I thought we would click a group picture. I'm
Hey,
not coming.
listen.
Nipa,
I told you not to do things for me. Don't you understand that? Why do you disobey my orders? You know I don't allow people in my room. You don't have to clean my room. Do you get it? I can take care of my chores.
I was cleaning the entire house, Siddharth. That's why I came to this room too. But I didn't know that I'm not even allowed to clean the room. If I knew, I wouldn't come here.
But why can't she come in this room? It's Mithai's room.
Look, Ratul, I don't want to be rude. But it's my personal issue, isn't it? I hope I'm free to decide whether I would want to allow a person in my room or not. Am I right? See, Mithai, I don't allow people in my room. It is my room. It's my own space.
but Tosha can come inside your room anytime. Am I right, Sid?
sorry, Aunt Appa. There's a difference between this girl and me. I'm his friend for a very long time. Such kind of friend who's more interested in ruining his life rather than making it a better one. Being concerned about everyone. And without claiming any rights, a girl just came to clean this room, said. You made her look like a culprit. You mean your wife isn't allowed, but your friend is always welcome.
Look, Aunt, I'm very clear since day one that I will not accept her as my wife under any circumstances. I don't believe in the concept of marriage, and you guys know that very well. I just came back for a pen drive, and see what fuss you all made. I'm disgusted, Aunt. Tess, just look for the pen drive. Come on.
Mithai?
Mithai. Mithai.
Mithai is responsible for everything. Why did I go there? I was cleaning and thought, why should I let this room remain untidy? I thought if any used clothes are left for laundry, I will collect them. I went to Sister Shree's room too. I was checking clothes the same way. And Miss Torsha, she thought that I was doing something else. And Mr. Bittergut did the same. All right then, I will never set my foot in that room, never ever. Mithai won't digest this insult. She will not tolerate this humiliation.
Mithai, it's okay. Please don't cry. Don't cry.
Just look at the way she's overreacting.
If only you could understand why this innocent girl is crying right now, Sid. Until the day you realize you will continue to be the inhuman that you have always been.
I can't help if someone gets me wrong, okay? It's not my responsibility. Tess, I think we're getting late. Let's go.
As long as Tess will be in Sid's life, he will never become a good person.
Torsha will never ever go from Sid's life. Mark my words.
Oh, wow! We had a great evening. I must say that to grandfather, seriously.
Only Grandpa? What about us? We watched your favorite movie.
Of course. Thank you. What did Brother Ratul treat us with? Pop kernels.
Popcorn. Say popcorn.
Popcorn.
Not corn. Corn.
Popcorn. Corn.
Corn. Very good. Just like this, we will also get other pronunciations right.
It's done now. Mom-in-law at home and sister at the maternal cousins. All teachers are around. Shri, have you decided your career after finishing your studies?
I have plenty of time to decide. But I wish to pursue PhD. And I will work as a lecturer in a good college. It's a long way ahead.
It will pass in no time, Shri. This is the best life, believe me. You would miss this freedom when you're on job. Doesn't matter where you work.
Really? How come you're saying all this? You live in such a wonderful place. I heard everyone goes out to enjoy the weekend. Still, you're saying you're not free, Ratul. He is kind of crazy, you see. Despite studying and working in the United States, he is a true Indian by heart, you see. He loves to walk around in Kolkata. He loves tram rides. He walks through the book hub. He goes to the old coffee house, not any posh cafe. Nipa, you will need to adjust a lot. But I don't like walking. And why did we bring the car?
Hey, Nipa, are you feeling tired? I'll just go and call the cab.
No, Ratul, please don't. Hey, no one is tired. Come on. Walking only keeps you fit. And I also love to walk. Look at Mithai. She walks a lot.
No, not anymore. I used to walk a lot when I was doing business. Now it's not possible.
Sometimes you guys really surprise me. I was honking, but no one was paying attention. So, where are you guys heading to? Going home? Come, please be my guest. I'll drop you. Hey, Nipa. Do I need to introduce myself again?
No, what are you saying? Hey, Shri, can we get a lift from him? Did we see him at the sweet competition?
Right. He seems a known face.
Yes. He's a schoolmate of brother Siddharth.
Extremely sorry. Actually, I couldn't meet everyone before. Hi, Aditya.
Ratul.
He's engaged to Nipa. Their wedding has been fixed. And she is my sister Nanda.
Namaste. Mithai, namaste. I was saying, why would you all walk home at this hour? I have my car. Please come. I'll drop you off.
Actually, we are enjoying
No,
our...
please, Mithai. Please don't say no.
Actually, we are chatting and walking back home. We seriously don't need a lift. Thank you.
Okay. Bad luck. Well, see you some other day. Bye then. Good night.
Good night.
Hey, Shri, it's a different car. You noticed?
Is he the owner of Agrawal Sweets? Why does he needs to show off?
He drives multiple cars. Yes.
Wow, how exciting. This happens to ultra-rich people.
Nanda, I think I should call the cab. Otherwise, my prestige will get compromised. Nipa might think she would have to walk for the rest of her life.
Doesn't matter if she will have to walk. My brother-in-law is 1 in a million.
Exactly, I agree, Sister Nipa. What's in wealth, cars or palaces? Brother Ratul loves you so much, Sister Nipa.
Mithai, I too have a little bit of wealth. I'm not as rich as Agrawal, but I have plenty to keep my wife happy. Nipa, will that do?
What are you saying? Shri, let's move first. Sandy isn't here, but he has trained people on how to pull my leg. Come with me.
Yes.
Let's go.
What nonsense is this? What are you doing?
I'm spreading Gange's water. I'm purifying the house.
What?
So many arguments are happening every day here. This will dry away negative energy and peace will be reinstated.
You never fail to find any silly occupation, right? What rubbish.
Which wish?
Lakshmi's mom. Lakshmi's mom, hand me the baggage.
Actually, Aunt has left the job.
Oh.
Shom, shall I fetch you some tea?
No, I'm in hurry. Hand me the bags, Mithai.
Okay.
Mithai,
Aunt Opa.
I was right. You'll start doing everything. See, this is what I told you in the morning. You'll take up all the chores and that too single-handedly. And that is why I'm here. Let's go.
Wait, just a moment. Can you please prepare some strong tea for me because your aunt deprived me of my bed tea. You didn't give me, that's what I'm saying.
I'll bring tea for you.
Hey, you have started the day early.
Yes.
So everyone's here. Appa, come here. Mithai, please come. Okay. Listen, everyone. Som and Siddharth, please pay attention. I have decided Mithai will join our business. Because she can recover whatever the loss we have incurred.
Why do you think like this, Grandpa?
Yeah, Shom. Yesterday I went to our Jadavpur shop and I did taste the sweets like a buyer there. And then I figured out what's lacking exactly. That's why I'm confident that Mithai can save us from this problem which we are facing.
Grandpa, it's true I don't have much idea about this business, but I can't understand why Mithai. I mean, those who are handling this business for years can't make up the loss, but a person who's got no idea about this, how will she work?
Yes, she will. Sweet sale depends on the taste, my son. Despite this is the age of publicity, you roped in big orders, you threw big parties for publicity. I know that. You did try, but sales didn't climb up because if sweets don't taste well, sales cannot improve. See now, Mithai will join the main workshop which you call the base kitchen. She'll work there. She'll prepare some sweets on her own and those will be delivered in our shops. Okay, let's start with one shop and then let's see what difference she could make. Then we can decide. What? What do you think?
Impossible. How can you propose such a thing, Dad? How can you think of including that girl in our business? You have dragged Shom despite my objection. And now this girl? What do you want, Dad? Please tell me, what do you want? Do you want to toss all the hard work that I put? Would you find peace after the business getting ruined? Where is Mom? Mom!
Somaresh, why are you dragging your mom? I have decided to involve Mithai and that is my sole decision. Your mom, Amrish, Sulata, everyone's scared of you. None of them could have the courage to discuss the matter because of you. Why? Tell me, Somresh, don't I have any stake in this business?
Dad, you are outdated. The way you started it, those strategies don't work today. How many times I have to explain? Shom has messed it up. You people agree with me or not? Shom doesn't know how to do business. And recently, he's become so rude, he tries to handle everything. No one works properly at the shops. All they want is just to remain in his good books. I'm looking for a better candidate, Dad, and I'll assign him as the CEO. He will give idea about new suites. He will give idea how to scale the business up. That in today's world, qualification and skills are too important. Any random person cannot handle this.